I started. Yeah, I want to record it.
Got him?
They're all ready through their stuff?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's like, oh, something you've been chucking over here or what?
Yeah, I did, and then I decided I better not.
Now we're going to have red ameranth all over the grass.
Yeah, probably. Well, just pick them out.
Yeah.
I'm just picking the
There's
main steps,
seeds
eh,
falling
Alan?
out of the amaranth.
I'm just doing the main
So I'm
steps.
guessing they're ready.
I'm just doing the main steps there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not
Yeah, I know. That's all I'm doing for now. Because the other ones don't seem to be seeds coming out yet.
Sorry. I got it.
All right.
Yeah.
There's a ton of this stuff.
Oh, there's lots of them in here.
We're going to have a lot of seed, I think.
Oh, I gotta be careful
I
what
wonder
I'm
if I can
doing.
make bread with them. Wonder if you get red bread out of it or what.
Yeah, be careful over here because you got your buttercup going in here. He's all the way over here.
I know. He's getting some. He's got one hanging on the net over there, on the fence.
Oh, does he?
Drooping the fence down. This one's
Yep. This one's ready because at least the branch is over. He's so heavy that he broke it.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. I had amaranth growing last year, about 8 plants. Thought, oh, it never did anything. So we just let them die in the frost. Now we've got, you can see in the garden, amaranth all over the place. And it's been trying to grow in the grass and trying to grow into the flower beds. And it's just like, oh.
Grab these so I don't drop all the stuff.
Oh, okay.
I know, well, you can do that. I'm just going around getting all the big heads.
Look at that. Darn. I say you can make bread. Does he do we end up with red bread, I wonder, or what?
No, it's true.
Trying to be nice things to let them dry out some.
You haven't let these dry out, huh?
That's what, then you don't have to, but some guy said it's easier that way on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
This stuff's cool, man. Awesome.
There are a lot of bugs.
Yeah, I know. That's some of the side heads are ready though.
Where?
The ones that are drooping as side heads are ready.
Yeah, the ones that are drooping big time, they're ready. That's why I'm just doing the big head ones, because I know they're ready. I need a bag of something.
I can get you another one.
Howdy! No. Howdy, folks! I'm just kidding.
Should have had a straw hat on and everything.
There's a lot of these things to pick. If we don't do it now, there are a lot of mosquitoes in here too. Son of a bitch.
Well,
Collect these seeds to reseed them next year.
No, I'm pretty sure half the seeds have dropped
I'm pretty
already.
sure a whole bunch of seeds have been dropping.
Oh, I'm pretty sure that most of the seeds, there's probably 70% of the seeds have dropped already too.
Well, I doubt that.
Well, I don't know about that.
There's still little plants growing from last year's seeds. Trying.
I know.
A little late, guys. Get it undone. Stuck together.
There's nothing growing in here. Oh, brother, look at all
Well,
the seeds. Look at all the seeds. Oh my shit. the bag.
No, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
It fell out when I put those in there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Pick from the other side. Oh,
There are
yeah.
mosquitoes in here, eh?
Yeah, because of the amaranth.
You had
Oh, I
over
should put my damn TV.
you had over 5 minutes of footage, so
Okay, well, let's do it.
too good.
Yeah.